What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Imani Murray, and this is my YouTube channel where I share social media tips and tricks to help brands and businesses improve their social media presence. And today we are talking money. Specifically, 5 Instagram features that'll help you generate income as a content creator, as a brand, as a business, right from the app. You don't have to go out of the app to do anything. It's all within the app. All of these features I have done videos on that explains what they are, how to use them, all of the above. So this is more just putting together a list just so you can know, like, okay, maybe I should implement this, maybe I should implement that. Take advantage of these features. I will link all of the videos down below where I did a more in-depth video about it. But I figured it's the perfect time with the holidays coming up, with the holidays here, New Year about to start. Hopefully it's better than 2020. And yeah, so I just wanted to highlight these features because who doesn't love money? Who doesn't like to make money, especially through an app that we use all the time, every day, all day. So let's get right into it. So there's 3 main features that I'm going to be discussing, but within those features are features that you can monetize. Does that make sense? You'll see, you'll understand in about 2 seconds. So of course, let's start with something that I've been talking about very heavily recently on my channel, Instagram Shop. So because a lot of the features that I'm going to be talking about deals with or ties back to or requires you to have Instagram Shop, we're going to start right with this feature. If you don't know, Instagram Shop is one of Instagram's latest e-commerce features. And one of the easiest ways to really generate income on social media is to sell a product, whether it's an ebook, whether you're selling merch. Selling some type of product is really one of the main ways you can generate income on social media online. So once you figure that out, whether, like I said, whatever product you're selling, you want to make sure that you connect your e-commerce website to shops. So technically it's through Facebook Shops, because if you didn't know, Facebook is the head and then Instagram is right under it. So it goes through Facebook Shops and then that'll connect the two. So you want to make sure you have an e-commerce platform already. And then yeah, so once you actually have your Instagram Shop set up, you have 2 options. You can either set up checkout, which will allow users to literally purchase and check out right from the Instagram app, or you can direct them to your website. As I've mentioned in other videos, there are some fees associated with having checkout, but it's all about convenience. You want to make things super easy for people. You want to make things super convenient for people. So the second Instagram feature that you can generate income from is Instagram Live. There are 2 features within Live that you can actually earn money from. The first one is Instagram Live Shopping. Instagram has now allowed brands and creators to tag their products in their Instagram Live. So all you have to do before you go live, go ahead and act like you're going live, but there's gonna be an option where you can click on shopping. You click on shopping and then you select up to 30 products that you want to feature in your live. So this is a good way to announce a new product, to do a get ready with me, to do a tutorial, to bring on content creators to maybe test out your product. And the viewers can purchase your product right from your live. You do have to have your Instagram checkout set up, but this is super convenient. It's going to be the theme of this video. It's all about convenience. So all the viewers have to do is tap the product at the bottom of the screen and it'll take them to the product page where they can view the product, save the product, purchase the product, all of the above. And you'll be able to pin one product on the screen at a time, but you have up to 30 products to share. The second Instagram Live feature that you can generate income from is badges. So badges started out in the beginning, well, maybe like the middle of COVID, as a way for your supporters to show their support. Basically, it's them tipping you in a sense. It's kind of like Twitch, and there's 3 levels that they can purchase. There's a 99-cent one, a $1.99, and a $4.99 option. And depending on what option they pick, that's the amount of hearts that will be next to their name. So if they pick the 99-cent one, there's 1 heart. If it's a $1.99, it's 2 hearts. And if it's $4.99, it's 3 hearts. And this is just a way for them to show their support and another way for you to generate income, honestly. And as a creator, you'll be able to see a list of everyone that has purchased a badge for up to 90 days. So you may see that person A is donating to you or purchasing a badge every single live that you go on. So you may want to, shout them out or give them a prize or some sort of reward. So the next feature on Instagram that you can generate income with is IGTV. So more specifically with shopping on IGTV, you are able to tag your products in the video. So if you just released a new campaign video all about your new products, you can go ahead and tag those products in this video. Once again, convenience. In addition, as I mentioned in other videos, you can also put your website link in the description, but being able to tag your products makes it super easy for people. All they have to do is tap on the shop icon on the bottom of the screen and it'll take them to all the products featured in the video. And another thing you should note, you can also go back to older videos that you've uploaded and you can go ahead and tag your products in that video. So if there's a video that you uploaded maybe like earlier this year, before this update came out, you can go ahead and update your video with those tags without having to take down the video and then re-uploading it. The same concept with shopping on live. It's the same thing if you want to announce a new product. All of the above, it's another way to generate some money in your pocket. Because all the promotion you can get, the better, honestly. So you want to make sure you're taking advantage of all of these features, because you never know who's looking at what on your page, whether they're looking at your lives, IGTVs, your stories, all of the above. Because also, not to mention, you can also tag your stories with your product, but that all goes back to Instagram Shop. And then another feature, another IGTV monetization feature that has not been released to everybody yet, so I'm not going to really talk about it, but I'm just going to bring it up just for a few seconds because I've discussed it in other videos, is IGTV ads. Some content creators, some brands already have access to this, but it hasn't rolled out to everybody. But basically, you'll be able to, just like on YouTube, you'll be able to earn money from ads on your IGTV videos. But once it really starts rolling out to everybody, I'll probably do a more in-depth video talking about, you know, the benefits and how to use it. And so the last monetization feature on Instagram that I'm going to be sharing in today's video is something you've heard me talk about a lot. In addition to shop, I've talked about reels a lot, and so now users can shop your reels. As a creator, as a brand, you'll be able to tag your reel with your products, which is huge because not only are your reels being shared to a new audience, right? They're being shared to a new audience, but now you'll be able to tag your reel. So if there's an item that you're pushing, or if there's a clothing item that you're wearing that you want to highlight, you can just go ahead and tag that product in your reel. So if you are, let's say, a home decor brand and you have a holiday sale going on right now and you're promoting this holiday sale with your reel, instead of saying, oh, check out our website or go back to our website link in bio, all you have to do is tag the products in that reel. All the users have to do is tap the shop icon and it'll show them all the products featured in this reel. And then everybody wins in this situation. You get sales, people don't have to leave the app to shop. It's all about convenience. It's all about making the customer happy. And when people make sales, you're happy. So it's a win-win situation. I will say this though, if you have a featured reel, you cannot benefit from tagging your products. Or if your reel was featured in the past, you can't go back and edit it with tag products. And basically, if you don't know, featured reels are reels that Instagram has chosen that they want you to look at and interact with, basically. But yeah, so that's all of the features that I'm going to share today. Of course, you can tag your products in your Instagram story, in your post, but that all ties back to Instagram Shop. So you just want to make sure that you're taking advantage of all of the Instagram Shop features. Whether you're doing checkout, whether you're doing, just viewing on a website option, all of the above. There's so many different ways you can make money on Instagram. Of course, there's affiliate links. Of course, there's sponsorships. But I just wanted to cover all of the Instagram specific features, ones that you didn't have to leave the app for. So yeah, let me know in the comments section if you're going to be taking advantage of any of these. I know I will once I open up a shop coming soon. If you're releasing a new IGTV, you want to make sure that you tag those products. Reels, make sure you tag those products because they're making it easier for you to promote your business, your products. You want to force your products in people's faces, not too much, but so that they get the point, like, you need to buy this product. If you know what's best for you, you want to buy this product. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video in a few days.